My wife and I had made plans when we retired to purchase an RV and travel the United States. I bought the Nexar dash cam specifically because we were going to be traveling in our RV. My name is Matt Boothe. My wife and I are recently retired and enjoying the RV life traveling around the United States. Pulling such a large vehicle, I realized that I wanted to have something to protect myself in case of a traffic incident. And I did my research and came across the Nexar dash cam. The Nexar dash cam automatically records every time I drive, start to finish. And the quality is outstanding. It definitely has served purpose beyond just the protection in the event of an accident. It has captured events that I didn't anticipate, like deer running out in front of you, near miss type events, or even just to see the name of some place that you passed by and didn't catch at the time. It's very simple to go onto your phone and look at those videos. When I installed the Nexar dash cam, it took me no time at all. It truly was that simple.